In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a credit card in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to your dashboard and click the plus button to add a new account. Then scroll down and select Connect Bank Accounts and Credit Cards. This will open the connection flow where you can link your card. Next, search for your credit card provider or bank in the search bar and click on it. After that, select the account owner to continue. A new tab will open to begin the secure connection process. You may be asked to verify using your phone number or continue without it, depending on the provider. Then select your institution, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Continue to login. After that, you'll be redirected to your bank's official login page. Enter your credentials to securely connect your credit card. Once completed, your account will sync automatically and appear in your dashboard with your other financial accounts. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.